How to play Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes with friends. Hi there! In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to play Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes with your friends, both locally and online. Party 1. What you need. Only one player needs to own the game. That person will be the diffuser. Everyone else play as experts using a free manual you can find at this website. The diffuser sees and interacts with the bomb, while the experts give instructions based on the manual. Party 2. Playing locally. If you're all in the same room, the diffuser sits in front of the screen. The experts stay away from the screen. No peeking. They read the manual and help to defuse the bomb by listening and giving instructions. Party 3. Playing online. Playing remotely? No problem. The diffuser can share the screen through Discord, Zoom, Steam Remote Play, or Parsec. The experts just open bombmanual.com in a browser, and remember, they should never look at the screen. Party 4. How the game works. Each bomb has a different modulus, like wires, buttons, or symbols. The diffuser describes what they see. The experts look up the instructions in the manual and guide them carefully. If you solve all modules before time runs out, and without too many mistakes, you win. Party 5. Tips for success. Talk clearly and stay calm. Describe symbols carefully. Double check instructions before clicking. And assign specific modules to a different experience if you have more than one. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to play Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes with your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next one. Thanks.